Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. In today's doodle, I'm going to show you how to draw Matt from Eddsworld. So this was a request from this awesome person right here, so thank you for requesting. And let's get started. So I'm going to start drawing Matt with the eyes. So I'm going to do two circles. 1, 2. And then we can do a dot in each circle. And now we can do the hair across just on top of the eyes here. The hair is like jagged, jagged chunks. Like that. So really like a pile of slanted capital L's. Okay. And we can come down a little bit right here and do a ear. And inside that ear, we can do a shape like that. And we can put a little line right here and bring it down. Go across that way and come on up and do a big smile. And then we can continue on with the hair. So the hair is pretty spiky. So we can do almost like a big shark fin up there. And then another big spike, bring it on down here by the ear. And over on this side, we're going to do another big spike and bring it on down. Kind of have a little bit going here by the side of the face. And we can see a little bit of the other ear. So we can have a little line here. Working, this little line here is the start of the neck. And right here, we can do just the last little bit of hair. So now right here, we can do like a V shape. And then put a line right here. So this is going to be, this V shape is the neck of his hoodie. And then this little curve line right here is, well, we can see that he's wearing a dark t-shirt on underneath his hoodie. Well, maybe it's not a t-shirt, but some sort of dark shirt under his hoodie. So if you want to wait to color that in last, that's up to you. Okay, so I can do a line like this, and then a line like that for the hood. And we can bring these lines down a bit. And bring them down a little bit further. And we can do kind of a silly shape like that. And we can do the opposite on the other side. Kind of like, if you were to tilt it this way, it's kind of like a capital M. And same on this side. So I'm going to bring a line down right here. And then make them meet. And I can do a little rectangle here for like a pocket. And let's do a bit of a shoulder right here. So we got like a little hill. And bring down an arm. And come on up. And the hand, it's going to be like, we'll do a little bump right there, like a little C. And then we got a little line. And we can come on up. And then another one. And come on in. So we got one hand done. And we can bring this piece of fabric down a little bit more and go over this way. And do another slanted rectangle for another like pocket on that piece of clothing. I'm going to put two little strings right here And these are, of course, like the little strings from his hoodie. You see I got like a little bump on the bottom for, like, you know how sometimes your hoodie strings, the bottom is in like a little knot? Yeah, so that's what we got going on right there. All right, so let's do the other shoulder. So another little, like a little hill like what we had on the other side. And bring on the arm, and then go across that way for the end of the sleeve. And now we need a hand. So we can do like a thumb. And then we can do like one finger, two, and now I would do the third. Yeah, sure, let's do it. Three. So there's his other hand. And now we can start on the pants. So I got a little line there, and we can bring that line down. And same over here. And I can do a line straight across there. And do a line there. So now we got our two lines here, so we've got our two legs, and that is it for our drawing. So I'm actually going to start coloring now. All right, everyone, we are finished our doodle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun drawing along with me, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!